Allison asked, I read that it is required to pass the introduction course with at least a 70% in order to proceed with the course. How challenging was the first course for you?
Well, I just did that, and I think what you're referring to maybe is there's an assessment tool or an assessment test that you have to take. Um, I did not find it to be terribly difficult. I think it was basic concepts. I think there were one or two that I missed that maybe it was just I was probably going too fast. But I think it was it, I think if yeah I anyway I don't think it was difficult. I think that that it's a good and the idea behind it, as I understand, is really that if you don't pass, then I think that you go through a boot camp and you learn some of those basics, and it's really to make sure that everybody's kind of grounded into the things that will help you be a success as you go through the program instead of kind of struggling as you go along. So I think it's a great idea from that standpoint. But I think it's really kind of basic concepts.
Yeah, and to add to what Dan just said as well, you have essentially two chances. So you get to take it at the very beginning of that course in the program, and then near the end, you'll have basically gone through, and you really will have a good grasp on those concepts. Because at least for my case, the first professor was again absolutely excellent, and honestly one of the best of the entire program. There's so much value in that first course, but by the time you get to the end of it, the university makes sure you have really all the resources you could have to pass that exam, and you would get a second chance if you didn't pass it the very first time. So again, plenty of opportunity to make that 70